Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Bluetooth is so. Your phone is dead or you just want activities to upload while you sleep. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to set up Wi-Fi sync on your Garmin devices. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first, does your watch have Wi-Fi? For example, you have a Phoenix Apex Forerunner 972 series, it's a yes. You have a Vivo Active Venue, it's a yes also. But if you have like an older Forerunners, let's say 45, 35, it's a no. So if your watch has Connect IQ, it probably has Wi-Fi, so check the back of the box or Garmin's website. All you're gonna do now is set up this basically setting by going through these settings and look for any connectivity options, Wi-Fi, then tap on Add Network. Select your home network, then enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Then tap Save. Now we're gonna go all the way and open our Garmin Connect app. Go all the way and tap on More. Look for basically Garmin devices. Select the watch, then tap on Wi-Fi settings, then confirm the network is listed. So let me break it to you on how it actually works. Well, Wi-Fi sync does not happen constantly. It triggers when you finish and save an activity, the watch is on charge, or the watch is near your saved network. You cannot manually press Wi-Fi sync like Bluetooth. Just plug it in, save run, or wait, the watch handles it automatically. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.